Hi there girls, back at you with another one of these videos, and we're going to finish off these constructions here. And I've just realized I actually wrote down 14 twice here. This should be construction number 15. So in order to do these, you will again be constructing right angle triangles, and these are almost exactly the same as the triangles we were doing yesterday. The big difference here is I told you to draw the largest side as the base. Don't do that for right angle triangles. So just pick, I'd say pick the smallest side for the base if it's a right angle triangle. And you'll be given two situations. You'll be given a right angle triangle with two sides, or you'll be given a right angle triangle with a side and an angle. Okay? So that's what we're going to do today. And by saying it's a right angle triangle, really we're being given an angle and two sides, and really we're being given two angles and a side. But the right angle triangles are actually kind of a little bit faster than the normal triangles. And I'll show you here why. So first we need the base. So the other side of 5 centimeters. Draw this 5 centimeter base, okay? And then because we know it's a right angle triangle, we can just immediately draw, using our set square, a right angle, right? And we can just make that an infinite ray. We can just draw a big old ray here, okay? Finally, we have the hypotenuse of 7 centimeters. And what we do is we measure out 7 centimeters, okay? You can see I'm measuring out 7 centimeters there. And then we just draw an arc, okay? So this has kind of gone into my question there, but it'll still work. So we've got an arc, so we know all points from this point to this arc are 7 centimeters. So we know that we have got a right angle triangle. If we draw a line from the intersection of the arc and the ray, we know that this will be 7 centimeters because all points from this point to this arc are 7 centimeters. We know this is 5 centimeters because we measured it out. We know that this is a right angle because we use the set square to give us a perfect right angle. There we go, we've got that third construction. Now the next one is construct a right angle triangle with an angle of 30 degrees and an adjacent of 5 centimeters. Okay? So adjacent, so it's not the hypotenuse. I'm going to do this kind of here just because we're running out of page space. And we do a base of 5 centimeters, okay? And then we do a right angle here, going on for a while. And then all we do is we just measure out, using a protractor, the 30 degrees, and just draw a ray from this point onwards, right? So because we've measured this as 30 degrees, we know this is 30. We know this is a right angle. We know that this is 5 centimeters. So we've got ourselves another triangle. Okay, one final construction. This is the end of constructions for us. We'll have done all the constructions in this case. I never really wanted to spend too much time on this, so I'm kind of happy about these 3 days where we can just fly through constructions, and if you have any questions, you can ask me about them, okay? So, construct a rectangle with sides 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So, what we do in this case is first we'll do a base of 5 centimeters. Okay. Then we will do a right angle going upwards. Okay, so a right angle going upwards. And measure it out at 4 centimeters. Okay, so I'm going to again just go measure 4 centimeters. I can go, okay. 4 centimeters. So I know this is 5 centimeters. This section is 4 centimeters. And now all I need to do is just draw 2 parallel lines. So we just need to remember how we do parallel lines. We line this line up with this one. And then we line up another ruler or another set square along here. Slide it down. And there we go. Now what we do is we draw a parallel line from the 5 centimeter side. Okay. Slide it up. Draw across, and we know this is 5 centimeters and this is 4 centimeters. So girls, again, can we redo these constructions for ourselves, pick some different numbers and do 2 of each? Okay, thank you very much.